In our previous videos, we have learned lots of fundamentals about ASP.NET Core Web API. Now we can combine all these fundamentals and we will create new ASP.NET Core Web API application that will have real-world RESTful Web APIs. Let's create a new project to learn everything from scratch. Your search for ASP.NET Core Web API. Here choose this one, then click next. Here enter the name of the application, Bookstore API. Then choose the location where you want to create this project. Then click next. Here select the current version. Then click the create button here. Our bookstore application is created successfully. Let's create new controller. Inside this controllers folder, click add new controller. Choose API controller empty, then click add. Your controller name will be books controller. In this application, we will work with SQL database. Let's create a repository folder. So right click on project, then add new folder. Folder name will be repository. Now inside this repository folder, let's add few repositories. Let's say book repository. Now inside this repository folder, let's add one interface with name iBook repository. So add new item interface, then interface name will be iBook repository. Here we got the interface. Let's add public keyword here. Now we can use this interface in this book repository like this. Let's open a startup class. Inside this startup class, in this configure services method, we can write services dot add transient. Here we have to define name of the interface and implementation. So interface name is iBook repository, comma book repository. So add the namespace. The skeleton of this bookstore application is ready. We have to work with database. Then we have to implement some operations in this application. Thanks for watching this video.